Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to convert value to percentage in a bar graph here in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Tableau, I need you to click on the Try Now option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Converting a value to a percentage in a bar graph in Tableau can be done through the use of calculated fields, table calculations, or by adjusting the field's default aggregation. Now, percentages can make it easier to compare different categories, especially when the absolute values vary widely. If instead of you dealing with potentially large or small numbers, percentages standardize the data, making more comparisons intuitive. Now, what I wanted to do is click on the new worksheet. I'm going to work on a new sheet here. I'm going to change this to probably around this one. This one, change the color around orange, maybe like 20. Click on apply, and then after that, now I'm working basically on a specific file here, and one of the best way for you to convert value to percentage in bar graph is simply just go to the drop down menu of the rows here, go to quick table calculation, and click on percent of total. You see that one? But we're going to change this into a bar, right? This one as well. And again, you simply have to check on the drop down menu for each of this and quick table calculation percent of total. Now, as you can see, in stacked bar charts, converting values to percentages helps illustrate how each segment right here contributes to the total within each category, making it easier to see the distribution. Because when you compare data across different groups or categories that have different scales, percentages provides a standardized metric that allows for more accurate comparison, such as this one. Of course, you can change the color for this. I'm gonna change it to maybe like red, and this one is gonna be like maybe a bit of a hint of yellow, or maybe a green. Right now, after that, one of the next option is simply go to the. I want you to go to the beside the filter. There's gonna be a drop-down menu and click on the create calculated field. Now, of course, we can rename this one maybe as this, and then go to this. Now, you see, you can simply drag the some quantity here, and of course, I wanted to maybe create a. You can put in like division, and then maybe you can type in exclude. And then drag and drop the order date here. Now, apart from this, I want you to put in a underscore, and then drag and drop the in this section. There you go. And then put in a colon and drag some of the sum here. There you go. And of course, click on apply. Now, what will happen is the percentage here can help benchmark performance by comparing how different categories contribute to the total. All right, click on apply, and it'll make it easier to spot the areas that are underperforming or overperforming relative to the expectations. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.